gonna do a little walk around to this smoker that I just finished building. Walk you through the modifications I made on the existing smoker and let you see what this trailer looks like. Alright, we needed some counterweights on these doors on the existing smoker. Let me show you here what I've done. Got a fish scale right here. I want you to see what this door weighs. About 18.5 pounds. That's what that door weighs with nothing attached to it. Now, here's what I've done. I've got an eyelet welded on with cable up to a pulley and about 20 pounds of weight here. Now look at the difference. That door weighs 8.2 pounds. So we lightened that thing up quite a bit. Now I painted this trailer inside and out when I painted the smokers. It had an existing smoker on the back end of it, the firebox, and owner had propane plumbed into it. Pretty interesting setup. Let's show you what I did to the existing smoker first. Put these eyelets on the doors and added these counterweights. That made these doors really easy to open. They weighed about 19 pounds with nothing. With the counterweights, makes the door weigh about 7 pounds. I added these straps on the doors to kind of tighten it up a little bit. Removed one stack on this side and added a larger stack on that end. Alright, now I also put some new racks in it. Now here's the new smoker. Cabinet style, double doors, your air controls right here on the front. Dual gauges. Oh yeah, look at that smoke. Got 4 racks in it. Way it measures out, it should hold about 38 to 40 racks of ribs. Just go around outside here. This is the firebox end where you feed it. Feed this baby from the outside. I just got some wood in here, getting some coals started. Not smoking anything with it right now. I'm just trying it out, see how it holds temp, and checking out the draft on it, make sure it flows good. Right here I've got grease drains on either side of this firebox. There is a baffle plate on top of the firebox inside. Well, there's the tour of the smoker trailer that I just completed. If you want to see a video of the build for this cabinet smoker, click on this link right about here.